Zendrop versus AutoDS. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's explore both of these platforms. So first let's talk about AutoDS, and here you can integrate not only with just Shopify but also with eBay, Facebook, Etsy, WooCommerce and Wix. There are many other integrations as well, and there is an inbuilt marketplace over here where you can find the high quality products with fast shipping. You can import products from Amazon, AliExpress quite easily. Also, you can import the products or check out the products from TikTok, and this way you would be able to find the products which are in trend and you would be able to integrate in a better way. But when it comes to Zendrop, you would be able to automate your drop shipping with US based products, and there will be fast shipping associated with it. You will also be able to get the help in finding the high quality proven products which are performing quite well in the drop shipping market. Also, you would be able to customize your branding to your product packaging. This way you would be able to enhance your brand reach and you would be able to create a brand for yourself. So it depends wholly on your experience, what kind of experience that you are looking for in order to go with any of these platforms. If you are looking to customize your own branding in the dropshipping, you should go with the Zendrop. But if you are looking for more better integrations, then you should go with the AutoDS. Also, most of the people out there go with the TikTok products or TikTok shops. So this way AutoDS would be better for you in case if you are looking to import the product details from TikTok. So this was the short tutorial on AutoDS versus Zendrop. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.